In this video, I will show you how to log in using WinCo Paperless Employee login system. So first of all, open up Chrome or any web browser. In the search bar, search for WinCo Paperless Employee login. Then click on it. After that, the first link that appears of paperlessemployee.com, click on it. Now this page will open of WinCo Foods. If you already are an employee and if you have already created an account, simply put in your user ID, then your password, and you can simply log in. In case you forgot your user ID or password, you can simply click on Forgot User ID or Password. And if you do not have your account yet, simply click on Create Account. From here, put in your employee ID, social security number, your date of birth. Then verify you're not a robot. Then simply click on Authenticate and Create Account. Then your account will be created and you can simply log in using your user ID and password from here. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below. Thank you for watching.